Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Ford Ranger XLT dual cab ute, stock reference number 5382. The shape runs from the 6th month 2015 through to the 4th month 2022. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the right hand headlight, factory bull bar with all bolts and brackets, filler panel and grille, left hand headlight, left front guard has one small dent, bonnet has two small dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left door has a large scrape, as well as the left rear door also has a large scrape. We have a pair of Clearview chrome extendable caravan mirrors. Right hand rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand door rear appears to have no damage. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right hand Clearview chrome extendable caravan mirror sold as a pair. Factory fitted snorkel with all bolts and brackets. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio, phone and lane assist buttons.